Wisconsin Watch now. Democrats have reintroduced two pieces of gun safety legislation. Felicity Boss watched today's press conference and then spoke with local Second Amendment advocates.
Thanks, Keith. As you said, two new bills were announced, one to expand background checks needed for gun ownership, the other the creation of an extreme risk protection order. This would allow courts to temporarily stop someone from buying a gun if they believe doing so would be imminently dangerous.
In Wisconsin, there is no question, being a state that believes in hunting, a state that believes in liberty, independence, and hard work, that there's no question that we understand the position of individuals who support their gun rights. However, gun violence is plaguing our country and plaguing our state, and as my colleagues have stated, plaguing our cities.
State Representatives, Attorney General Josh Kaul, and other gun safety advocates met in front of the Capitol in Madison to announce the new gun safety bills.
This is a concrete step that we can take to make our communities safer.
There's widespread support for these two bills from Democrats in the Assembly and Senate, but Republican Representative Rob Summerfield says he's not aware of any Republicans planning to support the effort. He says he cannot support bills he sees as infringing on Second Amendment rights.
I disagree with, where they're going with these bills. I think we need to direct our resources for keeping the guns out of the criminals and continuing to invest in the mental health.
And in Chippewa Falls, a local gun store owner is concerned about how these bills, if passed, might affect his business, worrying they would make things harder for hobbyists.
The people that bring these bills to the floor are the same people that never hunted, never fished, never bird hunted, never deer hunted. They are going after the guns that you do that with.
He says when he sells guns online, buyers still need to pass background checks. Keith, this is not the first time the legislature has tried to tackle gun reform. In 2019, a special session was called to discuss gun legislation, with the state Senate Majority Leader gaveling in and gaveling out in a matter of moments.
Okay, thanks, Felicity. Now, that same year, a Marquette poll showed 80% of Wisconsinites surveyed supported universal background checks for firearm sales.